Stop messing with that tangled hose. A retractable hose reel might be a better choice for you, but once you buy it, how do you get it installed? Well, I purchased the Hoselink Classic 100-foot retractable hose reel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to get it installed. This hose reel does need to be mounted, and you have options. Hoselink ships masonry plugs along with the screws for the mount. You can mount this into brick or concrete if you choose to do so. You can also mount directly into wood. For us, we have a 6x6 post here that has direct access to our garden and to some flower beds behind me, and this is where our now failed Giraffe Tools retractable hose reel used to live. I'm going to remove this bracket and mount here. Now, if you want to put a post in place, check out the link in the description that I'll include for you for a video where I walk you through that process. It is for a 4x4 post, but if you want to do a 6x6 like this, you'll just need to make a little bit of a bigger hole for that. In the box with your hose reel, you're going to find a couple of things. First is the mounting bracket that it's going to mount to. Second, and mine actually included two, you're going to have two templates that you can use in order to drill your holes. All I'm going to do is, and I've kind of pre-marked where I want it to be on mine, but I'm going to tape it here and then drill my holes directly through in order to prep it for installation. So when I'm done, take it off, and then I can screw this baby in. One thing I failed to mention earlier with the mounting choice, you do need to be prepared for a 180-degree swivel. You'll just need to make sure you have clearance, full clearance on both sides of your mount point before you drill anywhere. So keep that in mind. The directions say to go about 2 inches deep with a 3/16 inch bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now to screw these in, you're gonna need a 3/8 inch driver, and now we're just gonna put it right into the post. With this mount, there is one thing I don't like a lot, and it's just the lack of space underneath in order to drive these screws into wherever you're mounting. So you do want to be careful with that so that you don't strip those screws. But with the mount in place, now we can put the hose reel right on it. Now we just need to get our leader hose connected and turn the water on. Now that we have the hose reel installed, I bet you're wondering, how does this baby work? Is it worth $250 plus? Well, for more on that, click or tap on this video. And until the next time, keep doing it yourself.